So you see these two gaskets right here, VTEC solenoid gaskets. This is what's been holding us up this entire time from actually mounting this up. So we didn't want to mount it up because we knew we were going to have to take it back off again to mount those VTEC gaskets. So we waited until we got everything here, so that way we could mount everything up, do all of the, you know, the routing for the hoses and all that good stuff, so that way we can officially finish this thing. I had to take the Honda out because in order for me to drive to the tuner, I'm gonna need to put a map onto the ECU. So that's probably what I'm gonna do today. What is good, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Phyllis2K, and today we have a whole bunch of parts here on the table that we just came back from the speed shop, and I done spent about $200 on just fittings and hoses. So I'm gonna need you guys right now, before you do anything, just to like the video for me. That's it. Just like the video, leave a comment down below. I mean, let's get this video up. All right, so originally today my plan was to take the Honda out, which I did. I got the Honda out, and I was gonna go to the tuner to have him load a base map onto the car, so that way I'll be able to start the car today at least, just to see how it sounds. But everything is closed just because of this whole coronavirus thing that's going around, and a lot of the speed shops are like shut down. They're not open for business or whatever, so it's pretty hard to get everything done. This nigga Jermaine is in the back. So we got a lot of fittings here. Like I said, your boy spent the grip. It's killing my pockets. Like I said, I need you guys right now. Just leave a like. The GoPro wasn't included, and the catch can wasn't included, but I got this fitting here, this fitting here. I don't know the exact names for them, but they're all fittings. It doesn't really matter. Fitting here, a lot of adapters to change the lines and hoses to fit these hoses here. And I'm telling you guys, arm and a fucking leg. It makes no sense. And this wasn't included either.
Show the feet setup.
Oh. Let me adjust this lighting. We also got this feed elbow here, so that way it goes outwards and it's able to come around. Before it was just straight out, so it looked a little awkward, but we also bought this elbow piece here. And then the T-fitting, you guys probably won't be able to see it that well in the back due to lighting, but like there's a T-fitting back here that was kind of slowing us up too, that I had to wait for it to come in. So now that we got that, the pressure switch is in, this T-fitting is in, we got the elbow, the oil feed line for the supercharger. Should be good. I think we should be able to mock it up today, or at least bolt it up today. Like I said, I was trying to get the Honda set up, but that didn't work out. So we're moving on to the next. So due to us having a catch can, there was pretty much no space to get like a spot to put the catch can, so we're gonna mock it here. So which means I'm gonna get rid of my cruise control. So I mean, who really uses cruise control like that? I've never used it in the car, so it's not gonna kill me to lose it. 10-footer. You wanna know how much that fucking hose costs, bro? $60. I don't understand. I'm about to get into these kind of businesses where they pay probably 25 cents to get these freaking fittings made and selling it to people for like 15 bucks each. That is crazy. Like, these fittings should be like, I kid you not, these fittings should be like $5, but they're 15. But there's no complaints, because that's what comes with this whole entire, you know, car shit. You lose some, you win some. It's all a learning process right now. This is all a learning process. We've never done this before. Maine's never done this before, besides his 335, but like never, you know, like complete takeout and add something that's never been there before. So this is all new to us, but so far it's moving smoothly. I really did want to get the car started, but I don't know if that's going to be something that we're going to be able to do today until I'm able to load the base mat for the injectors that we have. So yeah, man, it's been a long road, but like I said, we've only been able to work on the car on the weekends because Maine has his own thing. I have my own thing to do throughout the week. So on the weekends, we get it done. So y'all should be seeing something real soon.
Phantom, that's alright. Inside all white, like something you ride a sled down. I just want that head.
Nah, it's gonna be done today, alright? Promise y'all we're gonna start this car by Sunday. Supercharger gonna be done today.
Hey, you heard it from the man himself.
Yo.
Huh?
Bro.
Is this not the right hose? Well, I look like it's the same size.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Well, remember, he got the adapters.
It looks smaller, bro.
But he got the adapters.
Bro.
Yo, we gonna have to make another pit stop.
Bro, there's no way this is going on here, bro.
Then we bring the fit. All right, so we gotta head back to the speed shop because one of the hoses that they gave us does not fit. So we're gonna have to head back over there, and I gotta get the key for this car. Jesus Christ. The new Corvette is right here in front of me. That thing is bright and orange. Alright, so we ended up going to one of my homies' spots, and he actually had a better line for us. It was a much easier fit. I still wasn't able to return the original one that we went to go buy because the shop was closed, and with this whole entire Corona shit, everything's just been shutting down mad early. So far we got the
Oil feed on.
oil feed on. I think I said that to them earlier, but yeah.
The fitting connected for the drain.
Yeah, the fitting for the drain is over there. We made sure everything fits.
We're working on the catch can hoses right now.
And then now we got to do the catch can. So we're moving along. I tried to get the ECU, get like a base map for the ECU today, but everyone was like shut down. So like I said, it was kind of hard to get everything that I needed done, but we're still working. I need to put the fucking ring back on. What'd you do with it?
You took it off.
I never took it off.
It's
already on.
Where's the tape?
Alright guys, so we finally got this hose on. These fucking, what is this hose called? Like a push lock hose. So it's like it doesn't back off. Bro, they're like retarded to get on. Like you have to heat it up. Damn near massage the hose to expand it a little bit.
Lube it up.
Lube it up, WD-40, and then it goes in. And then it's like, once it's on, it's locked on. So it's a very, very good hose, but it's a bitch to work with. So right now he's just taping it up so that way it's just a lot cleaner. It's not like, you know, frailed out and whatnot. So that's the reason why you're seeing him duct tape it. Well, 3M tape it, black wire tape it, whatever. And this is for the catch can.
Right.
Probably gonna have to expand that a little bit.
Yeah, where's the flathead? We do it behind it or in front of it. Don't matter. Just cut in front of it, bro.
In front?
Mm-hmm.
We're getting steps and steps closer to where we need to be, man. Today I woke up around like 8 o'clock in the morning, got here, and we've been running around trying to find just hoses just so that way we can get this all mocked up. Mind you, this process has been slowed up just of little gaskets, little pieces and nicks and things that we needed from everywhere, and then we thought today would be the day that everything would have been up, and it's like we're so close. I'm super close now. Once we get past this hump, the next hump is getting the car tuned. Once we get the car tuned, I could officially drive my car, man. It's a long run, and I got a couple other things that I want to throw into the car, but I gotta wait. Just like I have the clutch, the new clutch is in the car. I got a couple suspension components that I need. I'll show you guys the clutch, 1 second. So right here is the new clutch. I don't really feel like I should give them a shout because it's not a sponsored video, but it's from Clutch Masters. And this thing is gonna be able to withstand all the power that I'm gonna be pushing. It's not gonna be crazy, obviously. I'm not gonna be pushing like crazy horsepower. It's gonna be very subtle, nothing like out of the ordinary. A lot of you guys got it guessed right. But a lot of you guys don't know yet. I have an idea of what it's gonna be, but like I said, I kind of want to make it a surprise for you guys. So I'm not gonna say it until we get the car tuned, and then, you know, it's a thing. So I also got some other shit in the car too, but that's just for the shits and giggles. But that's at the end. That's at the end. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys, please just leave a like. It really, really helps me out a lot when you leave a like. Even if you dislike it, I guess. But I'm gonna need you guys to drop as many comments as you can in the comment section down below. Let's get these videos going. Let's get these videos in people's suggested boxes, so that way I could get to my 100K subscriber mark. All right, I told you guys I was gonna be boosting or supercharging my car at 100K. I'm obviously doing it beforehand, so I'm gonna need you guys' help, like a lot. So like I told you guys, gotta heat it up a little bit to get it going, stretch it out. Then you get the plier, chuck it in there, and just stretch it a little bit. It reshapes itself back to its form, so don't worry about it. We've done it about 4 or 5 times already. I'm just now showing you guys, but this shit is a process, bro. It's not like any other hose where you just slip it on and you put the hose clamp on it. This literally, you don't even need a hose clamp. We're only putting hose clamps just for like a peace of mind and just extra safety, but you literally do not need it. But I say do it just cause, you know, just be safer. Also, I hope you guys, well, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys didn't realize, but I created a playlist. If you guys got the time or you just want to help me out, go put my S2K playlist on repeat and just keep it playing. So if you guys didn't know, I do have an S2000 playlist now with all the supercharger content on it. It's about 6 videos that will make 7. So if you guys want to see it, go over there. You'll definitely, you know, you'll definitely like it. See it from start to finish. Alright, so this is basically it mounted in, firm, bolted. We get in there. Now the only thing left really is to
VTEC power, baby. You gotta put the VTEC power back on.
But where is that gonna go? Isn't it? Oh, it goes behind it?
It goes right there.
Okay. Yeah, because I know the bracket has a VTEC solenoid gasket too that mounts to the motor, so that's gonna go behind it. But what you guys think? It's looking sexy? Look at that valve cover. Whew. We getting there though. The new fuel pump is over there too, in that white box, for the people that kept asking me about it.
Yo, where is the...
I don't know if you guys haven't realized, yeah, it's dark out.
You know, fuck this. At least get all the hard shit out of the way. We wasted like at least 5 hours searching for a hose.
5 hours, you hear me?